Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Self-Reliance by Emerson. This is an essay of Emerson, and I have written a few points, and I want to discuss this essay. The first point he mentions: what is true for you is true for all. Emerson is trying to say that a person should follow his heart, follow his own thoughts, and he should follow his own talent and wisdom. Uh, the person should not copy others. The person should not follow others. And when he wants to become a wise person, so he mentions that envy is ignorance and imitation is suicide. We should not feel jealous of others, and we should not copy others. We should not imitate others because it is suicide we are going to commit. A man should get what he when he puts his heart in his work. So he suggests us that we should put our hearts when we work, when we struggle, when we strive. In Quran, Allah mentions, surely man gets what he strives for. So we should work hard. We should put our hearts when we work. And then he says that. The man should be wise when he connects the events of his age. The man should have worldly wisdom when he connects the events of his age, circumstances of his age. He can understand the wisdom, and he can be a genius. He can be a great person. And then he mentions that great people never followed or imitated others. I want to quote Socrates over here. Socrates says, "Know thyself." Emerson gives example of Shakespeare, Franklin Washington, and he is saying that they never followed others, and they were geniuses of their age, and they were unique. And then again he says, obey your heart, discover there, and you can find your own word. So in man's heart, there is a word. Man should not follow others. Man should not follow the talent of others. Man should not ask others regarding the solution of his problem. He should contemplate, he should see, he should think, and then he can find the solution of his problems. The last points he mentioned is that society never advances, but it undergoes a continual change. Then he gives us example. Now he is saying that we have got watches, but we cannot tell time, uh, keeping in view the sun, the rising of the sun or setting of the sun. We are unable to tell time. And then he says we should try on principles in order to become wise people. We should observe nature. We should observe nature, objects of nature, to get wisdom. So, in the last, he is the gist of this essay is the theme of this essay. The central idea of this essay is that a man should follow his heart, follow his thoughts, talent, and then he will become a great person because great people never followed others, never copied others, never imitated others, but they look towards towards their own talent, and they rely on their own potentials, skills, innate abilities, knack to find out the solution of the problems, and they observe the world, and they uh, uh, could see the events happening all around. them, and then they find the solution of the problems. Hope you have understood this essay, and you can debate on each and every point mentioned by Emerson. Thank you very much.